Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Luna video, not Luna, nah, damn, Solana video update for 16 July. Right, so we saw Solana making two different, and for a moment there, I actually thought that, oh no, this is a fake out, it broke down and now came up. It seems like this is a short and long squeeze kind of play, but it still is not doing anything to continue higher, all right? The problem is that, again, this is still acting as resistance. That line still serves as resistance, and you're still failing to cross that line. You're failing to come and backtest this line as well. You still are pretty much getting rejected, and the odds and the favor is still to the downside. So you do have this some sort of a shooting star right there in the middle. If today you actually do come down here, you're going to be putting in an evening star, and then from there you're going to be collapsing, maybe go back down to $25 again. Now, for me, the bullish scenario is that if Solana doesn't manage to break $39.14, I'm going to flip bullish and I'm going to say that Solana is good to go higher. Okay, pretty much simple. It's going to be bullish, and from there we flip to go to the highest part of it. But at the moment, rejection, failure, and the more power is to the downside at the moment, and that's pretty much it on the daily. So let's go on to the 4-hour time frame as well, and you can see on the 4-hour time frame, yep, all these candlesticks are pretty much showing the pressure is to the downside at the moment. Yeah, we did have a bullish falling, three rising falling methods, and that was actually pretty cool. You know, an entry here would be amazing, and then it pushed all the way to the upside. I actually didn't saw it, I just saw it now. But the thing is that on the daily it's bad, and you do have a bearish engulfing candlestick. So yeah, if you do actually come up to the highest point of the bearish engulfing candlestick, take it out, cross it, then boom, you're good to go to the highest part of the trading part of this one. And that's it for this quick update on Solana. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.